By the way, before we proceed, I just wanna apologize kasi medyo naguluhan lang kami kasi yung pagsulat sa aming results list ay medyo magulo yung pagkakasulat. But we declare so far that what we have mentioned earlier are not the official results yet. So once again, I do apologize in that matter.
Our
Okay?
champion is the Alright, for our singing contest 2024 winners! For our second runner-up, sure na po ito Ayun! For our second runner-up, none other than Miss Roxette Garon!
Once again, let's give a round of applause. Our second runner-up, Miss Roxette Garon.
Congrats po.